Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This vehicle is featured in our white metallic paint with alloy rims. We have our blacked out Chevrolet bow ties on front and rear, as well as our Z71 trim package. We have our rear privacy tint, as well as our black fabric seating. Now moving on to the interior of the Silverado, I'll walk you through a few of the driver's features, starting off with our door panel. We have our padded black leather, gray stitching, chrome door handle. Down below that we have our rear child lock and rear window lock, automatic power windows for front and rear, lock and unlock buttons, and power mirror adjustment with joystick. Speaker down below, as well as storage in the lower portion of the door card. And on the side of the seat we have our power adjustable seats with power lumbar support adjustment. Moving off to the left of the steering wheel, we have our trailer brake, four-wheel drive system, daytime running lights, and interior lighting dimmer switch. Our gauge cluster with screen in the middle. We can adjust what is displayed on that screen with the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel. We also have our voice commands and phone hang-up, classic Chevrolet bow tie in the middle, and off to the left we have our cruise control. Steering wheel is wrapped in black leather with gray stitching on the underside. Our infotainment screen displays our audio phone as well as projection for our phone and OnStar navigation. We also have our text reader. Down below that we have our radio controls and CD player. Our dual zone climate with temperature gauge in the middle, as well as direction of airflow and fan speed adjustments in the middle, and two heated seat options for driver and passenger. Below that we have our traction control, truck bed lighting, and our hill descent assist. Then a 12-volt charging port located underneath. We have our three cup holders in the middle portion, as well as our phone holder and padded leather center console lid, with storage on the inside, as well as two USBs, an auxiliary input, and 12-volt charging port. The front seats, the center console area folds up to become a third front seat, and the front seats are featured in our black fabric with gray stitching and textured pattern in the lower portion. The rear view mirror displays our OnStar controls, and above that we have our dome lights and dome light settings, as well as a sunglass holder. Back onto the exterior, we can take a closer look at our alloy rims with Chevrolet bow tie center caps. You can also see Silverado featured in chrome off to the bottom portion of the door panel. Our running boards, Z71 badging on the rear, and around to the back we have our Silverado and LT badging and blacked out Chevrolet bow tie. Now moving on to the rear interior of the Silverado, we'll take a look at our rear door card, which also features our chrome door handle, patent black leather, window switch, storage, and speaker. Back of the front seats we have our magazine holders, and back of the center console area third front seat we have our storage and 12-volt charging port. The rear seats also feature our black fabric with textured pattern, and we have our fold-out center seat, which features two cup holders. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.